the CEO of Seplat Energy PLC has breached the Nigerian immigration law, it is not enough to revoke his visa. So we are calling on the Nigerian government, the Ministry of Interior, the Attorney General of Federation, to take proper legal steps in the direction of charging not just the CEO of Seplat, but also the board of Seplat that has, one way or the other, allegedly aided the breach of our immigration laws. The provision of the law is clearly stated in that direction. It is not good enough to just say, we sack you, we remove you, we deport you. No. If he has breached our laws, he must face trial, because if Nigerians breach the laws in the UK, in US, in Australia, anywhere in the world, they will face the law before deportation. So we need to keep our eyes on the ball and make sure things are done properly. Then, of course, it's worrisome that the board of directors, led by Mr. Basil Omiyi, board of directors of Seplat, when this official complaint was brought to them by the Nigerian workers, many of whom had been forced and intimidated into resigning their positions. When this complaint was brought before them, instead of them acting on it by investigating and calling the workers to substantiate their claims, the board immediately denied all allegations without any investigation and declared a vote of confidence on the CEO of Seplat. All of that is very disturbing because the head of the board of directors, Mr. Basil Omiyi, is a Nigerian. So when Nigerians, however highly placed, collude with foreigners, with expatriates, to dehumanize Nigerian citizens, then we cannot close our eyes to their misconduct. Having demonstrated such acts of connivance to further entrench the discriminatory and racist practice against Nigerian workers, we're asking that the board of directors of Seplat Energy PLC, led by Mr. Basil Omiyi, resign their positions, including non-executive directors who are on that board, so that Seplat can get a new lease of life. Because, of course, Nigeria has about 40% assets in Seplat. That means we have both economic, financial stake in Seplat. And we need Seplat to function well for the mutual good of the company and of Nigeria and Nigerians. So we're next week, okay? Then, where things are not done properly, be sure that we have legal instruments within which to act. But I am sure that we must have faith in the Interior Ministry, because they've done that which has not been done easily. Nigerians were roasted in a firm in Lagos till tomorrow. They were roasted not 10, not 20, in hundreds. It was very widely reported. And you know, because our country, one tragedy too many, the press reports it for a week, 2 weeks, and there's no follow-up until now that it hits me that I'm recalling that in Obasanjo's era that happened, and nobody has gone for it. So we must do the needful. And I have faith with this Ministry of Interior acting unusually. So let's have hope that they will continue with the advisory we are giving. Where they don't, where we need to support them officially, we will support them. We will be exploring, legal instruments are available in different ways, okay, in different ways. Somehow we want to keep our cards to our chest. We don't want to, we believe that there will be positive response. We don't want to preempt a negative outlook. So let's move along with it in faith, in confidence that what is unusual has happened under this administration, And we must commend that minister in the Ministry of Interior who has acted in a way that we have something to at least be cheerful about in a Nigeria where all we have been singing for a long time is songs of sorrow, okay? So we'll get there.